way, Jabba's
Wait,
the
ad
show
loaded?
gangster now
Finally
available for
here.
What the frick?
Yeah, he's
It
here.
only took
I
5
should
hours.
not have him nicknamed RoR2.
No, he's gonna go pee.
Alright, he'll be gone another 5 hours.
It just,
Alright.
takes
Fuck
him
it,
3
let's just
hours
start
to
a run
load up
without
his
him.
piss.
Yeah, just ready up. He'll be back in time. He's playing Leaf
He has
Fiend
50.
if
He has
wants to
50
or not.
seconds to piss. Check out how hard I can pee.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Hey, check out how hard I can pee.
I love that one. Imagine like, I tried.
We should
doing that
play with
error so many
Artifact of the
times.
Changeling.
We should not. Actually, wait,
What
which
does it
one is
even
that?
do? All entities suffer from the effects of changing. What does that do?
On level up, it changes you.
How about we just...
I don't like.
can
Like
we
character-wise.
delete all modded artifacts from the game?
Honestly, I agree with that because we don't. We barely use
As
them.
the
Artifact of the King
Has there
is
been a
like...
Artifact of the
single
King is
one?
like the only semi like unnoticeable
Stop. Stop.
one.
No.
No.
This is why you turn off democracy.
This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna get Artifact
It's
of Death.
okay, we're waiting for
No,
ad
we're getting
load.
Artifact
It can
of
be as
Death,
short as
and
we want.
no-
He's not gonna load and then we're gonna have to go back to
I'm
the
gonna get
lobby.
I'm getting Royal Capacitator and killing you instantly. You bitch.
Oh, I got Paladin.
Oh, I got missed. Fuck.
And now ad's not gonna load, so the game's fucked.
No! Oh, what
What's the
fuck.
bullshit?
Oh,
Do you
I
guys see
think
the
that's
telegrams?
I think that's the artifact of the, it's like, artifact of Wrath. It's
Hi,
essentially
ad.
just...
Can you
hi,
load
ad.
it?
Ad!
Oh,
There
there it is.
Hi.
Yeah, it summons
I don't
rocks
think
from the
that's
sky.
him.
Piece of shit.
Okay. Ad,
Well,
can
that
you
was terrible.
leave so we can see the
Ad. I bet his
This is
game's not
Inigo's fault.
responding.
This is your fault.
This is...
You're the one who ready up.
You asshole.
There's Ad! Yo!
How long? Wait, how long will he last?
Oh, he's still named RoR2 on my
Oh, I
screen.
can
God damn
spectate
it.
him.
Oh, I can spectate him.
I
He's gonna
can't.
die.
Oh wait, I can.
Oh, he's about to get rocked. Holy shit.
The moment he leaves, he's gonna die instantly.
Oh no!
No.
Doing anything.
What happens if I respawn?
Okay, so would you believe me if I said that I actually kicked Ad about 3 minutes ago?
Did it work?
Yes.
No. No.
This is all Innie's fault, I agree. Oh my god, that was a
He
disaster.
loaded.
What do you mean you loaded?
What?
Wait, my game is closed.
Ad, we quit the run. You didn't load shit.
I is still receiving the commands from the server.
No, that's not good.
I dropped from the ship, and the island was a singular pixel.
I'm scared.
Graphics, absolute minimum.
Oh god, okay.
Okay.
At least it's portable though.
At least it's portable.
Abandoned
Okay,
now.
hold on. The server's open now. It's working.
How did all of this happen because we turned on all artifacts?
This is what you deserve. You had it coming.
All Innie's fault.
This is why we can't have nice things.
I love them.
This is why we can't have things at all.
Well, I guess we'll have to
Even
wait
enough-
another
let's
30
just
minutes.
start a run
Okay.
without him.
Let's just start a run.
Oh wait, no. Now we should do an MAA run.
No.
No.
Fuck you.
But now we could do it without fear of freezing.
This
Trust me.
recording's already awful.
No, we
enough.
can we
Oh
can
my
do
God,
it with fear of
fine,
everything else.
Fine.
Annie, you've been caught in 4K spamming penis cum, so...
You've been...
Well, technically it's 128
Yeah,
bits, but
okay,
whatever.
You're right.
I don't think that makes it any better.
It doesn't.
The crash handler froze. Oh, that's a problem.
The crash
I love
handler
when that
froze.
happens.
What do you mean?
Wait, Eni, can I test if life savings actually works?
It gives like one $1
But that's all that
every
matters.
second.
Yeah, that's I don't need like more.
Well, you kind of do. Having
No,
$1 per second, it's like
That's
feels 60.
perfect. It
We all
props
like
my
money,
It's
okay,
true.
Bumble?
That's
He's
not
a
the
college
point.
student.
money.
College
No,
student. It's-
no, I'm not going in debt.
Get
No,
fucked.
there's the manuscript printer. Oh, we're in trouble.
I'll be back in 5 hours.
Fuck.
Wait, chill, you didn't hit the mountain shrine?
Did I?
He did it?
I thought I
No,
did.
I don't think so.
Apparently not.
I have dementia.
He was
You're
too
right.
busy printing manuscripts.
That's actually kind of true.
I knew it.
I don't want to deal with re-rolling manuscript. Hi,
Oh
Ad.
dear.
Hi, Ad.
Bye, Ad.
Hi,
I don't know if
Fields.
he left or if he crashed or not.
I don't know.
The line is pretty
He's
close.
gone.
Hi,
Welcome
Ad.
back, Ad. Hi, Ad. Where's the TP?
Up. We forgot to get blue, by the way.
Bye, Ad.
It's fine.
Hi, Ad.
He
I'm
doesn't
sorry.
have
I'm
billions of
not on the grind.
If
Alright.
you buy the lunar shrine,
no, no.
You almost
I was
saved
so
it.
close. Motherfucker.
Take his vial.
No, my vial. It was mine. Give me my vial back.
Where's the blue at?
you have bungus.
I do have fun. Give me my vial. Give me my vial. I paid
What?
200. Give me my vial.
You paid 200,
You
but you're a
always
minor.
do this. Give me my
You're
vial.
a minor,
back.
so you got it.
Give me my vial.
Whatever.
Give me my vial.
Kid,
Give
stop
me my
fighting.
vial. You mother.
I'm gonna drop it somewhere and never tell you where it is.
You always do this shit to me. Oh my god, minor is insane.
He likes minors.
I love minor.
Shadow.
Weenie,
Shut up.
I'll give you a charging block if you give me my fucking vial.
It's been dropped. I don't
Where
have
is
my.
it?
Wait, what?
It's down. Go
Who-
look for it.
You
Drop it
piece
to
of
ground.
shit.
You're a minor. Your entire job is to go down.
All my abilities make me go up.
They can make you go down
He's
too.
a businessman.
Where is it? I'm
It's
scrapping your
down.
charging block. You don't get it.
It's right. It's right there.
Oh, it's on the wall.
Piece of shit.
By the way, I'm gonna die. Can I have this really quick?
Bye.
You motherfucker.
I'm literally going to die. Here.
I'm just gonna
Oh
hit
my god,
blue,
then
okay?
just like get another healing item.
Oh
Are
my
we good
god.
to leave?
I have no
Oh
healing
my
items,
lord.
bro. I'm
Give me
bringing
my
it closer
vial.
to you.
Thank you.
And I have charging block.
You're gonna give me a stroke.
No,
I
you're a
swear to
bitch.
God.
I'm getting blue.
You took my.
It's not
You know
spawning
what?
anything, right?
Sure, I'll take that. Oh, okay
I
then.
swear.
Sure.
You can take that instead. I'm gonna shoot chill with it.
I dislike you immensely.
When haven't you?
Oh, I can get money.
Wait, Eni, can I have a charging block? Just one.
Why? What are we waiting for?
I don't
What
have
are we
no
waiting
idea.
for? You got to... It's because every time someone hits the teleporter, someone goes, "Oh, why'd you hit it? Oh, I
Yeah,
was busy doing
That's
shit."
true,
Oh.
actually.
Wait, but we're literally all right next to the portal. We haven't
Yeah,
hit
but
it.
we're stupid and we're all used. We're like conditioned to not hit the teleporter unless
It's true
told.
though.
Awesome.
Chill, if it's not working, can I have the mugs?
I can't tell if it's work. I don't think it is. It's probably not worth messing with anyway.
Yeah.
If anyone
Oh,
gets
there's a
lodestone, can you
scrapper
let
right
me
here.
know?
Oh, I could scrap my mug.
No!
If anyone, you must trade.
Nice
Okay.
bungus.
I have more
Nice
healing than
bungus.
you now. This is a great idea.
Oh shit! I forgot I printed away my bungus.
Okay, I'll be the one harbinger of Bungus.
The bungeoneer.
Also, that's an
What is that?
encrusted.
Ew! I don't want that. That was close. You saved me.
You could have just dropped it.
I don't trust it. I hate it.
What do you mean?
Oh god damn it.
No, I hate it. Crystal.
Yo,
Nice
Bungus!
bungus. Imagine if better UI just listed your HP
That
and
ad.
like, mitigated
Bye,
the
ad.
downside
Hi,
type.
ad.
Goodbye, ad.
Nice sticky.
So what the hell are you? Wait, Eni,
That's
what are you?
not me.
Oh no. Oh no.
Be afraid. Be very
I
afraid.
will be.
Bro, we literally have a mod that turns off all
I
the
don't care
speed
if Sticky
bump.
Stunter exists. That sound gives me PTSD.
Well, then that's the PTSD's fault, not yours.
No, do you remember that one clip where it's like there's a gup in the corner, your voice is there, and it's like on fire and spinning,
Oh, I remember
but everything's but the camera's like broken.
that. You should give me Harvester's Sight so I can re-roll my manuscripts into crit.
So we can reroll things.
No!
It's a good investment, I swear.
You
No.
don't need harvesters to re-roll your manuscripts.
Chill, you're playing Merc.
It's not worth the effort if I don't have something good.
Oh my god, you're getting crit out of it. That's good in itself.
They're
Chill,
already
you're
on
playing Merc.
damage.
You're playing mercenary. What are you saying?
Guys, I need the healing, I swear.
Guys, I need the healing, please.
I need
don't
healing.
I don't take damage.
Bumble,
but I
why
need
did you...
healing.
Bumble,
What?
you picked up my
Scrap
mug.
cheese wheel? What?
Bumble, check item log right now.
Wait, how did I pick up your
Because
mug?
you ran into them, I don't know.
Here, take them. I didn't
He
I
has them
fucking.
in
I wasn't
chat.
near you.
He has projectiles.
I,
Clearly.
Wait,
Clearly.
actually, I do.
He does.
No,
Have you
you
seen the
don't.
shot?
You have like
Have you-
one.
No, have you seen the shotgun on my projectile?
Yes.
He has like
Do you
40.
need more
I have
projectiles
like 50
from
billion
it?
of. And look at this shit.
Make his explosive shit even more.
I'm just gonna instinctively hit blue unless someone says otherwise at this point, because I'm not waiting for that shit anymore.
Well,
This is why we average 11 minutes a stage.
so we could just go to score Shakers. It's
Actually,
not that bad, isn't it?
No, why would you take that?
Oh yes, we're doing this.
Oh my god.
This is
Alright.
why we should revert
Gestures.
Ben's raincoat.
We should make these per player.
God, I was trying to, but there's no config option for it. It sucks.
We should just make it up to 9 then or whatever.
Yeah, but then that means it's single player. You'd be able to buy like 5 billion.
And then just don't do that.
Then simply. don't
When
do
have
it.
we ever shown restraint, Chill?
He has a point though.
Yeah.
When do we show restraint here?
You're the person who picks up Silver Compass. You're not one to talk.
Yeah, you're definitely no.
Okay, we
You're
don't
addicted
talk
to
about
Malcolm
that.
Shots.
Can I have a green if you find it?
Yeah, I mean, I'll give you shit if I find it later, but it's an investment.
Like, should I want?
I don't know.
Because usually if it's should I want, it's should you also want.
We're leaving.
That is true. Well, I mean, you're playing Commando and I'm playing Miner, so it should be fine.
I have hierarchy because I need them.
Yeah, fuck
It's
you.
simple.
There's a manuscript. You should definitely wait. Oh my god, I hate fucking efforts.
I'm shitting them out everywhere. This might
Chill,
be a
I swear
problem.
to fuck if you buy Morrowind. If
I'm
you
not
buy...
going to. I'm gonna buy the...
I don't
So
believe
I'm just saying, the sooner you find me a cleansing pool, the sooner we can get rid of effigy.
This is a good point.
I'm just saying, why
I
did you
don't
pick
think-
up effigy?
Because I didn't have enough money to re-roll, and now
Wait,
you
I
see
still
my
have Box of Agony, fuck.
damage.
You
I
signed
don't
up.
want it, I don't
Oh,
want
God
Box
damn
of
it.
Agony.
Nice delicate watch.
Fuck.
Yo, technically it has no downside.
Yeah,
Just don't get
I
hit,
mean-
forehead.
I mean, yeah.
It has no
okay.
downside till I get one shot.
Well, until you get that one red item.
Well, you're playing Merc.
Please, wait.
What
where
is that
it?
printer?
Is that?
Nuclear accelerator. Chill, Bumble, I think you'd want that.
What did I just...
Nuclear accept. Actually, yeah, that might be
What
good.
did
What's
I just
Relic of
get?
Energy?
Relic of
What?
Energy.
Seems to
I've
do
never
nothing.
Oh,
seen
that's a... Yeah, just go find the broken TP and put it in.
What?
That's like
What?
3 TP items.
I've never seen that.
Okay, so like,
I-
what was the mod? Forgotten Relics, yeah, there it was.
I do not
Forgotten
know any
Relics.
shit you guys added to this pack. I haven't.
Yeah,
played
for
this.
scrap green.
That's true. I like that
I
this
like how
thing
it-
is fucking protected.
Nice imps.
Quick, Effigy of Greed, go get them.
Effigy of Greed. Actually, isn't that good on you?
No!
Like, you can place it away from you, and then
It
they
is,
get
but
good
I'd
on
rather
you.
have, like, any other equipment.
Oh my god! Imagine using your brain. That's insane.
School's over.
I
don't
don't
need
want
to
to
do that
use my
anymore.
brain and risk of rain too. That's the
Did you
thing.
just place an effigy on me? Oh god.
No, I'm like all the
Oh,
way.
why am I still placing effigies?
What?
No!
That ad, bye ad.
I think that was
Fields.
Fields actually.
That was Fields.
Ad still hasn't
Goodbye,
loaded
Fields.
Hi Fields.
Am I still placing effigies? I can't tell. I swear they're following me. I don't like this.
though. We should
It's
leave.
the
Oh my
curse
god, I
of-
am!
Are you? I don't
Why
see
am I?
them.
Oh no.
This is all your fault.
Wait. I have
No,
the buff,
I-
but I
look-
don't see it.
I have lodestone, but this I'm only placing one effigy at a time and won't leave me alone.
Where
That's
is
a
it?
medkit printer. Chill. Look at what I pinged.
What?
You look
I
at
should
it.
hit
You'll find
this
it.
and break my watch.
True.
Yeah.
Look, it's a second teleporter, chill.
Okay, that's cool.
You should hit it
Bye.
because you have the thing that can activate it.
Broken
Fuck.
teleporter. What the?
Tougher times. Bye.
Chill. If I give you a tougher,
What do you want?
nothing in particular.
Okay.
It's an
I
investment.
did give you mugs earlier.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
that's
There's
one.
another teleporter. Okay.
Yeah.
Why do I keep placing effigy? God damn it!
I don't see them, but they're.
It's
What
not-
health am I at?
I hate it.
Do you
I'm at
not see
full.
this?
No.
They give me the debuff, but I don't see them.
Yeah, that's what
God.
it is.
This shrine
Beanie,
is
can you
awful.
drop it and see what happens?
Okay.
Like, take something else. Let me see if it like.
Can you guys like? Nah,
Okay, it doesn't do it anymore.
I have to
I was
find my
keeping
food.
effigies I'm just... Yeah, it fixed it. Wait, why is the relic of energy on our team?
Wait, what?
Well, do you not see the sidebar? Relic of energy is on our team.
No.
What?
What?
Yeah,
Wait,
Relic
wait,
of
wait,
Energy
wait,
is
wait.
here. I don't
Look-
know what you're talking about.
I
Look in
don't
the channel.
see
Do you
it.
not see that?
Chill. Are you delusional?
I might be. What about it?
Because I see Relic of Energy on the sidebar.
I do not.
Well, you're chill, dude. So.
Okay,
I'm
we're...
hitting this.
Hi,
yeah.
YouTube, by the way.
Dude,
For
Risk
like
of
2
Rain
minutes.
2 modded funny moments compilation. Chill.
Fortnite
don't
funny
worry,
moments.
Don't worry, chill. We can hook you up with like 30 royalty-free stock music creators. It'll be fine. Just hop on NCS and search up fucking I don't know, Alan Walker.
Sure.
I have an hour-long run downloaded and it's 2 gigabytes of storage on my
Bumble.
computer. It's not enough.
We're
Wow.
I'm
leaving.
not gonna. I don't feel like digging through all that.
Yeah.
But there's some good bits where Goku makes my game explode. So.
When doesn't Goku make your game explode?
Facts. It's so true.
I
Can someone get
scrapped
me another
one.
lunar? Chill. Can
What?
someone get me another lunar? I don't care what. Just like
I'm
anything
poor.
that won't like immediately kill me.
And he's the rich one, not me.
Eenie, I'm poor. Give me money.
I spent all mine on MAA runs.
Oh no. Honey, wake up! I need lunars.
Please stop calling me endearing names.
I need a lunar that isn't Stoneflux. Why did you take my gesture? Give that back.
That was yours? Oh.
Yeah, I dropped it so I wouldn't proc lodestone.
Missions.
I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking
It
it.
just re-rolled into
I'm
another
not
one.
taking it. That's a bad idea. That's definitely a bad idea. That's not helpful. Oh my god. What is
Fuck it.
that?
You have
Like a product?
Reju. It.
Yeah, okay, can you drop me that in gestures?
You guys
I-
see nothing. You guys should give me
You-
gestures. It's a good idea.
Give me my gestures back. Thank you. This is why we can't have nice things.
Ah, damn it. I knew it was coming.
I'm going to
We
kill
need-
Newt in like 3
Chill,
seconds.
this is an intervention. You have to stop.
You have to stop.
Alright,
making
I
this
can
good
stop
thing.
now. I have crit.
Do you just do you really just re-roll it all into crit?
Yeah, I had it on damage before.
Jesus.
But I have
Oh,
metronome.
I'd rather take armor, honestly.
Well, crit is like affects every other item in the game, I think.
Clearly, he
That is
doesn't
true.
play Calamity.
Did anyone actually hit
It's
the portal?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah, chill, dude.
Okay.
I'm not waiting. I finished rerolling.
Right, yeah, sure. I'm good.
Nice
What
red,
is
by the
that?
way. Nice
Okay.
Dios.
I'll take a
Sweet.
deep, I guess.
How useful. You will never die now.
I will definitely never die now. I knew
No.
I couldn't die before, now I'll double not die. That ain't
I hate this.
What the fuck are you saying, Jesse?
tomorrow. Jesse, what the fuck are you talking about? I want to print mocha.
Same.
We all do.
I don't
We're all
think
mocha
this is
maniacs.
I don't have any shitty whites though, so oh well.
I should print everything.
Just sacrifice everything to mocha. Ah, red whips. Wait, why did I take 2 whips? Oh god.
I don't know. You seem like the type of person to be dying a lot.
I'm
There's 3 fucking sentries up here.
That's normal.
There's no scrapper.
We
though.
should
okay,
disable turrets from the pool.
Honestly, true. Actually, there's 4 of them up here.
I should buy all of them actually.
There's one right
Why
here.
are they all like around here?
Wait,
Wait,
what?
wait,
Let me
there's like
see.
a shit ton more. There's so many of these.
Wait, wait, let me see this.
Oh wait, I never went into the cave. Hold on.
Dude, why is there so many? There's another one.
What the fuck? Why is there so
There's
many?
literally, like,
There's
8
so
of
many
them.
turrets here.
What the fuck?
They're all like lined. This is like Weezer.
It's
I'm
like
afraid.
Weezer moment.
Oh god, the beetles! They pushed me through the floor. Oh, I can buy more
Ooh,
metronomes.
brain stocks. I don't think.
Chill,
brain
why do
stocks
you
really
like
helps.
metronome? What the fuck?
Yeah,
I
brain
don't,
stocks
it's
does not
just
help.
funny.
Wait, Beanie, I need more gouges. I need more gouges.
Holy shit, he said it right.
I said it right. Yeah, I just give. I need. I need them.
Watch there never be a single good.
I
A single
know there
gouge.
like there won't be. Just get me like beads or gouge, any of the two.
Can I
care
have this?
No, reroll it quick. There's a eulogy.
what.
Quick, throw it back.
Just throw it back. Oh wait.
Oh right, Bumble,
Shit,
do you have a brittle
eulogy,
crown?
throw it back. I need. There's a. Hold on. There's another gooch.
You said it wrong.
There we go.
We're back to normal.
It's like a
Fuck.
50-50.
It's just
Oh
like,
god. What are the printers?
hey, there's an
Wait, where-
egocentrism.
Shit, where did it go? I'm dropping that. I'm scared. I fear it.
Throw it back.
Shit, egocentrism. Throw it back. The
that's a-
commando in question.
The oh my
Shit.
god.
Run it back.
Guess what it is?
Shit. Wait, chill. You've seen it, right?
Chill,
Yeah.
no.
I couldn't fit into the. Oh god, there's a manuscript printer.
Dude.
Oh, hi, Ancient Wisp. Oh god.
Why is 2 of the stars actually black?
Yes. I'm gonna do it, guys. Bye.
Fuck.
Oh, what is he doing? I got a red.
There's
Oh.
a scrapper.
Hmm. Interesting.
I'm investing, guys.
He's investing. I'm not even warped.
The sun.
Because you're
Shit.
playing,
The
you're playing
sun.
minor.
The sun. The sun. Oh.
No.
I'm dying.
No. Oh god, I'm frozen.
My
What,
watch.
what the fuck?
Why am I still burning?
Yeah, I'm still burnt. Oh my god.
What the
That's not-
fuck?
wait, this is
I was
bullshit.
below
Chill,
him.
Bumble,
This is
you're a
bullshit.
one savior.
Why did that
That's
kill
not
me?
good.
Hit the
It
TP
should,
and
yeah,
fucking leave.
I was out of its range. He cheated.
Avenge chill, dude.
He cheated.
He was at no
Motherfucking-
health either. Oh my
I
god.
can't believe I survived because of Brass Trumpet.
Dude, I was
I can't
literally
believe it.
fucking below him and he killed me.
The grandparent was lag switching. Piece of shit. I really want to take egocentrism, but I'm gonna resist the urge because I know it's not gonna end well
I'm
for me.
sad. I died
The
before I could
masculine
print
urge to pick up.
The masculine urge to take egocentrism.
Hi, Ancient
Oh,
Wisp.
no.
I
Fuck
hate
off.
Ancient Wisp. Oh my god.
Why did you say that? No!
You're having a
Actual
stroke
airborne
on my
mode.
screen.
I'm juicing.
Yeah, that's
I'm
normal.
juicing so
Yeah, it's
hard.
because for some dumb fuck reason, Miner's bottom half doesn't move at all when he swims.
Looks
That's
so
right.
good.
Yeah, it doesn't.
He's going Morbius.
I'm going all
He's
out.
Morbin.
I'm morbing out. Risky rain guy. Yikes! I'll never be able to survive this risky rain. Morbius, don't worry, I'll help you. It's morbing time.
I hate that meme so much.
He proceeds to morb Mithrix. Well, that that was a mess.
The grandparent cheated.
The grandparent lag switched the living shit out.
I can play the game again.
He got
Whoa!
destroyed. Wait, Mercurial. Never mind.
No.
No.
How about
Fragile
Just
Mask.
stop re-rolling it. Don't give him what he
Okay.
wants.
No, I need more lunars.
Bumbo, you have like
No!
you have 11 lunars. That's like
That's not enough. Think about it.
Plus-
Why did you take corpse blue? You better not throw that off the edge. I will
it's
be
not
very
like I
disappointed.
can anyways. Because I think Wolfo made it so that dropping items off the edge just doesn't anymore. They just get returned back to the cliff.
That's interesting.
Quality of life mods.
Now you can't get rid of eulogy. Finally.
Well, we don't have to get rid of it if you never get it in the first place.
Oh god.
Oh god.
That was almost bad.
Where? I can't find it. It's too laggy. No. Oh my god. I really
Chill, dude. Quick, get it.
I'm lagging. No,
What,
where
what,
is it?
what?
There's an aspect. It dropped.
Where is it?
Chill.
That
Can you
was
like
really close. I can't
stop
unwarp.
moving your camera so much?
Please help, I can't unwarp.
I'm playing Merc.
I know. I'm looking for the aspect.
I'm looking for the
Oh,
aspect.
it's not
Where is it?
probably. It's probably not away. Check under.
I hope it fell off and despawned.
True. To your left. Nope, not there. That's just a random ass construct with that.
What the hell?
I like how you're just looking for the aspect now.
It's fine. There's
Why
no
would I
teleporter
not?
going on.
Watch it be misplaced faith.
If it's misplaced, wait, what is that? I've never
What
seen
is
this
it?
before. Oh, that's just
You're
okay.
stupid.
It was like really yellow from a distance. Okay.
Yeah, that's what most aspects look like from a distance.
Okay.
I love playing the game.
Yeah.
Too bad.
God damn it. Bumble, you're fucking beetle guards.
Don't worry about my beetle guards, okay?
They sent me to the void. They always do this.
Well, maybe you deserved it. Is that hit list?
I haven't been alive for the past 40 minutes. What the fuck do you mean I deserve it?
Don't worry about it. Need more gouge. Can someone buy me Mercurial?
No.
Okay, fine. Then get me another lunar.
No.
I need gouges. I need gouges. Why do you guys not trust me?
Why
are
would
you?
we want to trust you?
Ooh, it's the good one. Well,
Wow, it's the one I can't use. That's so good.
It's the one
fucking laggy
wait.
one, huh?
I feel like I should be able to use this. Yeah.
Can I have a
I'll
brittle
trade you a
crown?
Genesis loop for it.
No, can I have a brittle crown so I can actually use it?
You're getting a Genesis loop.
Okay, I'm just leaving.
Okay, I was about to drop brittle right as you did that.
Of course you were.
I won. Side is drawing hot Argalia. This is a problem.
What?
No, don't worry about it. Is that a void seed? That's not. Wait, what the fuck?
Wait,
Why
oh,
is
we
there
have
just
a void
There's
family
just a
event.
random void buckle outside. What?
Yeah, we have a void family event.
Yo.
Wow.
What the
Can't wait.
fuck? Why is there a giant acrid?
What?
Paragrunt. There's just a giant acrid here. Someone do something.
I want to
There's
see
a
him. Don't
giant
kill him.
acrid.
Don't kill him. I want to see him.
It's
What
Pero
the fuck?
Grande. Do you see this?
Yeah.
What
Let
adds
me
this?
let me look at him.
What the fuck is Pero Grande?
He's
He's
big.
coming closer.
Pero Grande.
Pero Grande. Oh god.
Hi.
He just ragdolled.
That's so sad.
What the
I
fuck?
feel bad for doing that. Why is he?
We killed the dog,
okay.
guys.
Why did? Wait, what's the boss in a Void Family event? Is it just?
Can the
It's
boss
just a
be
Devastator.
more giant acrid?
Wait, is it just a Devastator? That's.
Yeah.
Oh shit! It is.
Oh, God. Oh, that's true actually.
I
Bye, give me Red Whip and.
Can we
Corpse
do
Pool
it in the
and
lunar
That's a
bazaar?
good point actually. Now is not the time for barter. Now is the
Now
time to
is
be
not the
brave.
time.
My
This is an ad moment.
There's some-
Bumble, take off Lodestone.
God damn beetle
Okay.
Manuscripts.
No. Oh god. I'm just gonna buy them all. There we go. Oh,
Okay.
this is
I
a deal
add.
of all time. Can I get another gestures? I don't proc
RoR2
my,
disconnected.
I don't proc my lodestone fast enough.
Ad,
There's no
what are
fuel
you
cells either.
doing?
He's trying to make us think his game is bugged. It's simple.
Maybe he's connected to his neighbor's Wi-Fi.
He probably is.
Wait, gouge. I need that.
You're poor.
Free Wi-Fi
I am
anywhere
poor.
you go.
Hold up.
Hold on. What do I not?
Tess. Hi, Ad.
Holy shit.
Get me. Fine, we'll do it.
I did the thing. Another beats.
I had.
You know what we haven't done? Void fields.
Mumble.
Oh yeah, I need that to the bottle. Wait, we're going to gold again? Where's
Apparently.
my cleansing pools? No.
They're dead.
Wait, I need my. Oh, okay, I have lots.
Get me ego, get me ego. Ad disconnected.
Disconnected. His name is RoR2. Why is his name? Oh, never mind. He died.
Hi, Ad.
Ad, what are you doing?
Trying to
Think
load
what he's
in.
not doing. Warped Elder Lemurian. Oh boy.
I just got hit the half from a singular Elder Lemurian
I sure
shot.
hope it doesn't drop an aspect.
I do
Can
hope
we
it doesn't drop an aspect.
Blacklist the warped aspect, please.
No, don't blacklist
Yes.
it. Yeah, okay, if you're doing that, you're bringing back plated.
Bumble, I like how you're always ambivalent on whether or not we should kill plated.
Hello, Ad.
Bumble, I like how you're poor.
Why am I poor? Wait. Oh, right, because I was the.
Oh, okay.
How
You
did
left.
you die?
I
How
thought my
did
dash was off cooldown and he insta-killed me.
He said watch your tone.
He did.
I watched that shit go down. I'm sorry. That Void Touch Clay Doom Strider? That tar looks really sick though. Holy shit.
He
That's
looks
really
like he has porn.
cool. He has RGBs, watch out!
No!
Great.
Molotov.
Oh, there's a scrapper.
Ad, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't think he's.
I don't think he's winning.
Yeah, he'll be fine. I trust him.
Yes.
What was it again? Yeah, we did. We all updated it.
Yeah, nice pre-skip right away.
Ooh, reskin.
Wait, what? You got a second herb-biting embrace?
Yeah, I did.
What?
Why? How?
Another
What?
one dropped an aspect, so I ate it.
Can you share?
Why? You
Bro,
never share aspect.
stacking herb-biting embrace only like increases the blade damage and the chance to freeze.
I need that too.
You attack so fast it doesn't even matter.
I need that. Trust me,
Clearly.
bro.
It's called.
Void Seed?
Come on,
You have
cleansing
two
pool.
Void Seeds.
Scab.
Come on, cleansing pool. Shit, I'm frozen.
Oh no.
I can tell.
I think it died.
Bumble, no, you're a rusted key.
No, it closed.
Oh
Wait.
no.
No, I don't know. Never mind. It closed entirely.
Rest in
Shit.
peace.
Rest in rip.
What
Well,
an
that's
end.
that
Ad
sucks.
still didn't join.
I was very
I'm
disappointed
still
by
playing.
that.
I can bring it back. Never mind.
I
Run
we
it
have the
back.
technology.
That's so good.